welcome again to my channel. Lorna K is here. So yes, I will just show you we went outside this small area. They have things around selling, and look at this one. It's like a sticky. We got this one for 10,000 dong, and it's a sticky with something inside. Yes. I don't know, it's like a meat, egg. So it's like a thing, like a breakfast thing. So this is the where they put in the banana leaves. And also I got this one. Yes, bulad. Bulad dried fish. And then I have also this one, chili paste. And then I have chili paste, and then I have eggs. So I'm gonna cook something. I want to cook something. I want to rice. Yes, I want rice this time. And then yeah, I have eggplant. I have chili. Yeah. Then I'm gonna start cooking now. First, I need to cook the rice first, and after that I'm gonna cook the eggplant. Yeah. So how are you guys? What's up? So last night pala we went home late, not late. We had dinner with friends. So yeah, and then we sleep late. We were watching series. Okay, I will do the Wait. Rice ka. Only one cup of rice. One cup is enough. Yes, done. I'm gonna put it here. I don't really know how to use this one. Everything is not electric here. So now how to start this? Start. Oh my God, I don't know. I think it's working now. I don't really know. Let's see. So now I'm gonna start my talong, my eggplant. I'm gonna slice it now. Maybe sa next video na lang.